Hey guys, do this thing immediately you post on YouTube. Most you post on YouTube, the moment is right in 20 seconds, 50 seconds. Go and do these tactics I'm about to give you now to get yourself good views. For someone that has less than 1,000 followers or subscribers on YouTube, I have been doing this thing for the past 10 days or 20 days now. Check my YouTube account. You see that it's not been long I came on YouTube. Yes, it's not been long. And I've gained good subscribers, good views in less than 10 days. First thing you have to do, this is the only tactics I'm giving you out of free. Once you create a YouTube video and post it, I'll give you this for free. Make sure your thumbnail is very, very attractive. Make it very, very clickable. Before you do these tactics, make your thumbnail very, very clickable. Make your title very, very attractive and very, very clickable. Write description. Put things in your description box. Put a lot of things in your description box. Write a lot of things. Put hashtags if you want. I won't advise you to use hashtags though, because it will ruin your account. You know, the way I want my account to look like, I will advise you to use hashtags, right? But if I want to tell you for free, make your thumbnail for very, very attractive, make your title very, very attractive, make your description very, very attractive, and create a playlist for your video. Playlist suggests or rather recommends your video to a video. Example, there's a video that is above that has millions of views that said how to become a YouTuber, and your video is how to make your first 100 YouTube subscribers, how to get your first 100 YouTube subscribers. YouTube has a chance of recommending your video to that other video because they can both relate to the same thing. Anybody that watched that video is likely to now say, okay, how will I now get my first subscribers? You understand? I don't want to now tap on the next video to watch. So do this immediately you upload on YouTube. Once you upload on YouTube, have at least 2 YouTube accounts, spare accounts, right? Or have like friends or family or your husband or your wife that has YouTube account, and just keep the phone around. Once you upload on YouTube, run to those phones, right? Search yourself and watch your video. Let me tell you what this thing does to your video or your YouTube channel. What YouTube does is when you make a post, they push it out to like 20 persons or 30 persons. The same thing happens on TikTok, the same thing happens on YouTube. They push it out to the 20 persons. The first 20 people that watch that video will determine how far that video will go. Yes. The first person watches your video, if your video is a 10 minutes video and they watch 3 minutes. Second person watches 4 minutes. Third person watches 1 minute. That video, YouTube will be like, okay, people actually like this video. Should we push it out? They'll push it out. But when you upload the video and the first 20 people don't even click on the video, that means that 20 people down, they don't even know you. So do not click on the video. So you have to be the person to watch that video the first 5 times. Do you get? The first 5 views should have to be you. So that YouTube will be like, okay, people like this video. They'll now push it out to more people. Even the video I'm posting now, I will do it on this video too. The first 5 people to watch is going to be me. My second account, my third account, my sister's account, my brother's account. I use it and watch my video first. That way YouTube triggers the algorithm to push it out to more people to watch that particular video. So that they'll not be like, yes, people are actually liking this video. And when they watch it for long, like as soon as the video is 5 minutes and people watch it up to 3 minutes, they assume that this video is actually valuable and people want to watch this video. They keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing it out to more audience because they feel like the video is doing well. Do you get? So that's one way of making it your videos get enough views on YouTube. Second way and tactic I'm going to give you is don't share your YouTube link to your family and friends on WhatsApp. If you go to analysis, you see that they'll tell you external sites, external places where your views came from are from WhatsApp or Twitter, or let it be on YouTube. Share it to your community. Share it to your notepad. Don't share it outside of YouTube. The moment you share your videos out of YouTube and people are coming out of YouTube to watch your video, YouTube will automatically say, okay, and then when you know it all like this, go and be doing. Do you get? Do not assume that when you know how to promote your video very well more than us, right? Go and be doing it. Do you get? But let them be the one to promote your video by triggering the algorithm to believing that your video is valuable. And your video is actually valuable. Right, that way it helps you to reach more audience. Do you get? So first and foremost on my list is when you want to post, have 2 accounts or 3 accounts on your phone or other phones. Use them and watch your videos first. Watch it for long. If it's a 5 minutes video, watch like 3 minutes. So you can trigger the algorithm to push it out to more audience. And when you push it out to more audience, that's why you can now get new subscribers, new viewers, and all that can watch your video because they saw it on the For You page or on their Explore. You get? So try this format out and tell me in the comment section. And when you know that the format works for you is when you go to your analysis and you see that most of your viewers are from browser feature or from browser feature or suggested videos. These two things are, the way that you know that this format works for you. I'll put a screenshot of my own on the screen to tell that the thing has worked for me. It has worked for me. You understand? Browser feature is where people saw at least 50% of my videos of my new viewers saw it from browser feature because they were scrolling on the For You page and they saw it because I had triggered the algorithm to believe that this video is valuable. Do you get? And most of them will not say for suggested video because I make a playlist of that video. That way, when they see the video or they see other videos, YouTube will recommend that playlist to them. Another playlist does for you is playlist make people to stick on your video for long. But when they watch one playlist and you refer them to another playlist, they want to watch another playlist. When you refer them to another link, it's on that playlist. They'll keep watching and watching, and that increases your watch hour on YouTube. Thank you guys. I know this video was valuable to you, and yes, if it's valuable to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to know anything about making money or finance videos. I am always available on YouTube to make it available to you on your doorstep. So try the format out and tell me in the comment section if it works for you. First is watch your videos yourself. Second is make your own playlist on YouTube, so I bet YouTube can recommend your videos. And thirdly is don't share your YouTube link out of YouTube. When you share it out of YouTube, and people start tapping in from that link, YouTube will automatically assume that, okay, you are good at promoting your videos, let us leave it for him, and they'll move on. So all I have to do is just trigger the algorithm to believe that your video is valuable, and they'll recommend your videos to people. You understand? So try the format out and drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you on my next video.